I want to show something cool though, actually, a current project we've been working on with our CMS. So one of the big things we do, bit of a growth hack, by the way, for Hugo is we have a template library of about, at the moment it's 50, it's about to be 90 templates for your meetings. So you want to know how to run a great meeting, you go to our template library, and you can see on screen, I've got a screenshot of the current design, old design, which is a one-on-one template. Now that works really well for us. It drives about 20% of our traffic. It's always been a great source of growth for us from an SEO standpoint. But when we're talking to some of our partners, the likes of Slack, Atlassian, Calendly, Trello, like these great products and businesses, we know that they run meetings in a really, really great way. So we wanted to go and take their templates and add them into our library. Like, who wouldn't want to know how Slack runs project kickoffs, how Webflow launches products, whatever it may be. So we had this project to go and build out this branded template library of close to 100 templates. Again, sounds like anyone's nightmare keeping track of all of that. So what we decided to do was to come up with the standard questions, and we're going to go and there's a new page design coming soon that'll have a new format for the templates. And instead of us going and collecting all that information, cross-filling all the data, then put it when it's in the CMS, sending them a link to approve it, we created a type form that asks all the questions. And type forms are, as you probably know, a really nice, lightweight way to capture information with nice UX. And using a Zap, we connected that straight to the CMS, and it would create pages in draft. So check this out. So this is the type form. We asked for some questions. We asked you some questions about the template you want to contribute, who you are, how best to use it, a bit about yourself, even uploading a profile picture of yourself, and the actual template content, your logo, if there's any pictures you want to use. And I'm actually going to submit this now live. So that goes to Typeform. Now, when I go, I'll just refresh that because I lost my connection before in case. And I then log into Webflow. I'm in the designer, as you can see. It's just loading there. When I go into my collections over here, and go to templates, you can see my product launch plan, that Gabby just submitted, is there, ready to go in draft. We can review it. Even there's Gabby over there. And I can literally stage that and send Gabby a link saying, hey, here's the template you contributed. Is that all cool to go? And off we go and publish it. So that's saved us hundreds of hours, honestly. And as we get to 100 templates filling in all those forms. So a really simple integration using Zapier, and in our case, Typeform, is what we do all the time. It's that approach of Webflow is our front end. It's our database for all this content. What are the other interfaces that we can use?